5.2005 Chevrolet Avalanche Crew Cab Pickup. This vehicle features the following equipment: automatic, gas ethanol V8, 5.3 L 327, 4WD traction control, stability control, 4-wheel drive, front tow hooks, conventional spare tire, aluminum wheels, power steering, 4-wheel anti-lock brake system, 4-wheel disc brakes, auto-on headlights, auto-off headlights, daytime running lights, fog lamps, heated mirrors, power driver mirror, power passenger mirror, heated exterior driver mirror, heated exterior passenger mirror, privacy glass, intermittent wipers, cargo shade, bed liner, power driver seat, front floor mats, rear floor mats, front reading lamps, adjustable steering wheel, leather steering wheel, cruise control, vehicle anti-theft system, power windows, power door locks, alarm, keyless entry.